For this detox tea, you will need the following: 2 quarts of water, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, a large saucepot with a lid for boiling water, a fine mesh strainer with some cheesecloth. If you don't have a cheesecloth, carefully pouring through a coffee filter will work just fine. First, bring water to a boil on the stovetop. Cut the heat, then add cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds. Place a lid over the pot and allow to steep for 10 minutes. Filter through a cheesecloth or coffee filter if using. Serve hot and make fresh batches daily. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Today's video was brought to you by True Studio here in my hometown of Janesville, Wisconsin. True Studio is our premier yoga, strength, cycling, and teacher training studio. They offer these and many other cool, healthy lifestyle classes. If you'd like to find your True, hit the link in the description to check out their website. If you're interested in future Veggie Nerd uploads, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell down below. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.